Today I am going to fit this vintage light fitting to my kitchen ceiling. I picked this light fitting up from a charity shop for about £5. I've had it for ages. It was going to go in my living room, but I've decided to put it in the kitchen because I think it actually suits the kitchen really well. It's got a kind of Victorian look. I'm wanting a Victorian look for the kitchen, and I realised that it matches my kitchen sink really well. I've got a kind of swan neck, gold coloured tap for my kitchen sink. So, and actually you might think, oh, looks really naff, really old-fashioned, but this is actually a very fashionable style at the moment in kitchens. So I'm really happy I bought it, and so we're going to give it a go fitting it today. This is the central light fitting that I need to take down, take the plastic off, and I'll need to drill into the ceiling and fit a hook for the new light fitting to go onto, and connect the light, of course. So first of all, I need to switch off the circuit that serves this central light fitting. So I'm going to go over to my circuit box and switch it off. And to know that I've got the right one, you switch the light on while you're doing it, and then you'll know when you've got the right one. Lighting off. It's easy. Leave it for half an hour. Just cut it off, but I'm definitely going to be that right. Cut that off. Switch that off. A bit too hot still. Can you just want to see if there's a Phillips screwdriver on? You go get me one.
Did it?
They're not, oh, it's alright, I can do it. We've got it. Hold it. You have to hold it. Okay. Hold.
Have you tried tugging on the...
Yeah, I will do it, don't worry.
Because it could like stand on my head and kill us.
I know that. Oh. I'll tell you, don't do that.
What you need to do is push the thing back.
Yeah. Shorter hook. The hook's too long. So you have to hold. Don't let go. Can't let go. Sorry, I have to take this hook out because it's too big. I've got a smaller line.
I can thread it and then you feel strong. Wonky. Where's the screw to do that? To tighten that? There's no hole. Oh, here it is, here it is. Oh, there. You're holding it wonky, that's why it's wonky. Right, you have to hold it. Oh no, sorry, you can let go, you can let go.